Hello dear children, in this video we are going to write the values of certain trigonometric ratios of given angles. Angles are 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90 degree. This year in class 9th you will be using only cos in physics, but if you learn this table it will be very useful in class 10th also. So let's learn how to write it. We write the numbers from 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Last number is 4. Divide by 4. And then the next step is just take the under root of this. Under root of all of them. And the value we get 0 by 4 will be 0. Root 1 by 4 will be 1 by 2. Root 2 by 4 means it will be 1 by 2. So this will be 1 by root 2. Root 3 by 4. So root 3 by, what is the root of 4? 2. 4 by 4 is 1 and root 1 is 1. So here you are done with. The first value is your sine. Sine 0 is 0. Sine 30 degree is half. Sine 45 is 1 by root 2. Sine 60 degree is root 3 by 2. And sine 90 degree is 1. And if you write it in reverse order, the same values, that will give you the values for cos. For that is cos, just write in the opposite order. So this is 1. Then next will be root 3 by 2. Next will be 1 by root 2. Next is 1 by 2 and 0. Right? And if you divide these two values, then 0 by 1 will give you 0. 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2 will give you 1 by root 3. 1 by root 2 divided by 1 by root 2 will give you 1. Root 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2 will give you root 3. And 1 divided by 0 is not defined. So in this way easily you can write the values of this trigonometric ratios for certain given angles 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90 degree. Children, you have to learn in class 9th. We are only, because we will be doing the formula that W is equal to Fs cos theta. For certain angles you must know the values of cos theta. For example, what is the value of cos 0, cos 30, cos 45. So in this way we can learn this trigonometric table. Also, if you just want to learn about cos, so cos we can do it on the fingers. This fingers, just look here. Suppose I just start with 0 degree, right? This is 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. Remember 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. Same way 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. And if I just want to remember the value of cos, right? What is cos 45? What is cos 90? In that case, how we are going to do? Just look here. Suppose this is 0, right? In this way we have to go. We have to go anti-clockwise. So this is 0. So how many fingers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 are there. So the value, for first I am finding the value of cos 0. Okay. So 0 is, this is the first finger, this is 0. So how many fingers are left? 1, 2, 3, 4. So cos 0 will be root 4 by 2. This is the way you have to do. Root, how many fingers are there left? And that is under root divided by 2 will give you the value of that particular angle. So cos 0 is root 4 by 2. Root 4 by 2 is nothing but 2 by 2, that is 1. So cos 0 is 1. Next, this is 30 degree. So come to this finger, 30. So how many fingers are left? 1, 2, 3. So how many fingers are left? 3. So cos, this angle was 30 degree. So 30 degree is, how many fingers are left? 1, 2, 3. So root 3 by 2. So cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Similarly, we can go for the next value, cos 45. So this is 0, 30, 45. 0, 30, 45. So what? How many fingers are left? 2. So this is root 2 by 2. So root 2 by 2 is nothing but, if you multiply by root 2 and root 2, you will get, this will get cancelled, it is nothing but 1 by root 2 only. So cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Now come to next, 0, 30, 45, this is 60. So what will be the value of cos 60? Cos 60, how many fingers are left? 1. So root 1 by 2. Root 1 by 2 is nothing but 1 by 2. So cos 60 is 1 by 2. Similarly, come to the last finger. So this is what? 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. So cos 90. How many fingers are left after that? Nothing is there. So cos 90 is 0. So in this way also you can learn the value of cos for this this formula when we are using W is equal to Fs cos theta, because here only we require is cos. But this entire table will be very useful for your further studies.